Hey everybody, it's Miss Meghan from the Beaumont Library. I'm going to do another short and sweets today. Let's start with our hello song. Well, hello everybody, can you clap your hands? Clap your hands, clap your hands. Well, hello everybody, can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Well, hello everybody, can you give a tickle? Give a tickle, give a tickle. Well, hello everybody, can you give a tickle? Give a tickle. Yay, great job. I thought we could sing the wheels on the bus today. So get your wheels going. Here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wet, 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 wet. The babies on the bus go wet, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. The daddies on the bus say, I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddies on the bus say, I love you, all through the town. Yay, great job! Now we're going to do zoom, zoom, zoom. And when we count down to 0, we're going to blast off at the end. Here we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Good jumping. Let's try again. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Yay, great job. All right, I want to show you my recommended read today. It's called Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site. It was written by Sherri Duskey Rinker and illustrated by Tom Lichtenheld. There we go, Lichtenheld. And it was published by Chronicle Books. I'd like to say thank you to Chronicle Books today because I'm going to read you the story. So it says, Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site. There we go. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn. Oh, they rest their sleepy heads. then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high. He swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark. Then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says good night. Shh. Good night, truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. When final load spills on the heap, crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims the lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleeping, as can be. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops in his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, Bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, Excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arr! But now is time to end his play. A few more holes to dig, and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Ooh. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back, sets his scoop down on the ground, and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, Excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. And that's the end. A lovely book if you have someone in your house that really likes construction equipment. Okay? Especially that excavator. I think that's my favorite. All right, we're going to sing our goodbye song now. Goodbye, goodbye, so long, farewell. Goodbye, goodbye, so long, farewell. Bye, everybody. We'll see you next time.